Hi guys, this is Sarah from the Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll discuss how to turn off the keyboard sounds on your iPhone. Watch until the end to learn this step-by-step process. You might find the sounds produced when typing on your iPhone keyboard annoying and desire to turn them off. Dive in and learn the easy steps to follow. Tap the gear icon on your iPhone screen to open your iPhone settings menu. Next, scroll and tap the Sound and Haptics option. Here, you'll get several sound and vibration options to choose from. Now, go through the options and choose Keyboard Feedback. If your iPhone model is older, this option is indicated as Keyboard Clicks. You only need to tap this option to disable the keyboard sounds. Next, touch the green icon to turn it off. The switch will change to gray, showing that your keyboard sound is now turned off. And you'll no longer hear those annoying clicks when using your iPhone's keyboard. And now you're done. You've succeeded in silencing the keyboard sounds on your iPhone and made using it in a quiet place discreet. Thanks for watching. Till next time.